Good day to everyone, to all the employers. My name is Loren Salvo, 53 years of age. I am a separated woman with 6 children. My daughter's ages are 32, 28, 25, and 21 years old. And my son's ages are 19 and 16 years old. In my 14 years working in Hong Kong, I have experience to take care babies. It is newborn and twin babies. I also have experience to take care girl 6 years old. And I also take care elderly with dementia. And I also take care pet, it is a cat. I am a good person, loving person, reliable, trustworthy, honest, more patient, especially to the kids. To all the employers, if you give me a chance for interview, I'm very thankful. And all I can say, I will do my very best to do my duty as a helper and responsibility. Thank you very much and have a great day.